In the meantime, the North American electricity line workers have thrown their support behind local contractors and the JPS to restore power to the remaining 17,000 customers in coming weeks. The group returned home after over 3 months in Jamaica. Details in this report.
Saying goodbye is never easy, something these American and Canadian linemen are learning now that they have to say farewell to Jamaica after calling the country home and work for the last 100 days.
It was funny, a lot of the guys wanted to get home, see their kids and their families, and now that they know the end is very, very near, they're willing to stay longer and work with the group and the comradeship and working with you people, and it's tough. It's emotional for some of them.
But lucky for them, some will be back soon. Many already have vacation plans in their head for Jamaica.
Can't wait, actually.
Absolutely.
And we want to be back when Sandals South Coast is all renovated, because we've seen it.
Absolutely.
And we see how, we see the pride, and we want to be back and see that.
And when they do return, the sometimes tricky language barrier will be no issue. They are now nearly at expert level in understanding what Jamaicans are saying.
We had to listen carefully and slow down. You do have an accent, and I guess we have an accent too. But you know what? It was great, and to understand. Yaman has many meanings, and sometimes it's hello, but sometimes it's okay, I heard enough, and let's move on. And to understand all the different tonality and of what the meaning is, that in itself was something that we'll cherish. And I say that tongue in cheek, but it's part of the magic and part of that you have.
As for work, they leave with just 17,000 JPS customers still without power. That's about 3% of the company's customers. Getting those people back on the grid will now be the job of the company as well as their local contractors. Having worked beside these men and women and observed their work, the North American crew say the remaining customers are in capable hands and will be back on the grid in no time.
They have a plan, and their management, they've been seamless to work with. They care about the customer. We feel that through what the plans that they've made, and it's they're going to get the customers back on over time.
Hal Shade Burke, TVJ News.